Meg over at 12inkypawprints.blogspot.com, and I'm back today to share with you a quick tutorial for La La Land Crafts, for Club La La Land Crafts, for our April 2018 Club Kit. So today what I wanted to share with you real quick is how I did this water background with the turtles in it. I just love this. To me it looks like the turtles, the water is so clear you can see the turtles swimming in it. This is actually a pretty easy technique, and for the project, like I said, I used our April 2018 kit. If you haven't seen it yet, isn't it adorable? There's still time to subscribe for the May 2018 kit. Can't give you any teasers. You've got until May 15th to subscribe, but you are going to want this kit, let me tell you. So for this project, I used the Hanu, the turtle die. So I've already started inking up my water, but basically what you're going to do is take a light colored ink. For this I've used Distress Ink Tumbled Glass. I'm using Distress Inks because I might want to apply some water droplets to add texture at the end. And you're just going to give it a nice thick coat. Doesn't matter if you apply your ink evenly, it's going to mostly be covered up by the turtles. Okay, so there's that. Set that aside. And this is actually the most difficult part of the entire process. So what I've done is I've cut turtles out with my masking paper, and now I have to get my turtles to stick. And I think some mask papers work better, as you can see, work better than others. This is a bit of a trial. But really, this is the magic of how the stencil works. You're gonna take your turtles, your die cut turtles, and arrange them in a pattern, however you want, on your background. Now if this doesn't work, the difficult part is for each turtle section, you'll have to hold it down with your hand when you ink up. And that's the complicated way, which really shouldn't, we really shouldn't have to do the complicated way. All right, now I'm going to take some Mermaid Lagoon and just gently go over all of your card. If your turtles move, see, this is a bit of the complicated way because my turtles moved. It's not very elegant, but there you have a turtle. All right, let's put this little guy back in his place. See if we can't get him to stick a little bit better. Looks like I'm gonna have to do this the difficult way. Sorry about that, everybody. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So basically, I'm just gonna proceed like this over the paper. It's okay if your turtle has some dark color Mermaid Lagoon mixed in with the tumbled glass. To me, that just gives it more of a bit of a murky look, as if the turtles are at different depths. And to me, I like that. But even if you have to hold it in place, it really is quite easy. If you can find some really nice masking paper that would work for this, this is really a lovely technique that will work with all those detailed dies that you have to turn them into stencils. And to me, that is a real valuable thing, to be able to use your dies as stencils as well as dies. Ta-da! Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It just might leave your hands a little dirty. So here's our turtle inked up background. If you want to add some splashes of water in here, it will give it even a more realistic textured feel. I think I did that with this project. I did use different colors on this project, but this is the basics of it. And like I said, this technique will really work for any of those detail dies you have. So give it a go. One more thing real quick. Another die that you might want to try this on from this particular kit is this one, the hibiscus border. Look at how detailed that is. You can make a really interesting stencil out of that. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you have mask paper that works better than mine did. And let me know if you give this technique a go and how it works for you. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll have my blog address at the end of this video if you'd like to come find some of my projects there. I'd love it. And if you'd subscribe to this YouTube channel, I'd love it too. Would love to stay in touch. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.